He's back, it's Magic Mountain Mike. He runs, he jumps, he really likes to hike. I was down with Mike in All-Ireland last September. Absolutely epic location, stunning views, and he's come up to the Sperrins, which if I'm honest, it's not a range I would choose to hike. In my head, the Sperrins are kind of just sort of flat hills and fairly grey, dull, overcast skies.
You're a bit more kinder to the Sperrins than you were when you were talking about it in the car on the way here. I don't think getting the Sperrins is going to be too strenuous from what I see on the map.
6 hours later.
I hate you! You wind up eating those words.
Yeah, we should probably tell them that we're doing like 25k today.
Are we?
Around there.
That's like 16 miles.
Yeah, something like that.
We're about for a while. Do you know why they're called the Sperrins?
Because they are left over after creation. I don't know.
Leftover bits of mountains.
I don't know. Just with the northern accents, the spare ones, Sperrins.
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 Leftovers. We're really going to offend anybody from Mid-Ulster.
Got it. Yeah, this is Peak Hunter. That allows me to log the peaks for points. And woo, that's it.
Us. Sun's out. Bun's out. Next hill.
Meenard.
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 Meenard. Meenard. Meenard.
Meenard.
Meenard. Meenard. Nice to meet Anonymous there. Anonymous.
Nice to meet you, Anonymous.
You always got to try and pick up a few extra YouTube subscribers. Mike the Merciless. This is kind of cool. And there's quartz crystals. You ever go into graveyards and steal these off the graves? Not as an adult. Man, come on, everyone's done it as a child. You ever done that?
I can safely say I've never done that in my life.
Okay.
And I've done some dodgy stuff, but I've never done that.
Okay, so it's just me. Okay, fair enough, it is actually quite nice up here. What is not nice is having to wait on Mike finishing his number 2. Mike, you finished your number 2 yet?
You mean that one?
Yeah, that one. Look at this. This is what happens when you let your gas-filled number 2s off into the air. Stop leaving number 2s in the Sperrins.
An Indiana Jones hat off Wish. This is what I got.
Come on. Look at this.
Oh, congratulations, it's a boy.
Really?
I have no idea.
All right.
Down with this sort of thing.
10 miles in. I've got at least another 4 miles to go. I'm officially fed up with this hike. This last bit is horrible. I'm fed up. Michael, are we there yet?
Nearly.
No, we're not. I can see where we have to go. More and more descending to furious madness. So that's not nearly there, Michael! Trail, and it's just through deep, spongy, squishy ground. The last climb would have to be the most miserable. Michael and I have decided that it'd be best if we spent some time on opposite sides of the fence from each other. I hate you! Why'd you bring me up here? Is that it?
No.
Please say we're done.
Well, this is the last peak.
Last peak.
Last peak, we've got to get back.
Yes! I hate this mountain. This is going on my list of, what is this called so I can not come up here again?
Mullaghclogha. Mullaghclogha.
I'm not coming up the unpronounceable mountain again. That's over 12 miles in, 8.5 hours, final peak. Now we got to slog all the way. You can't even see it, like way back down there to go back down to the van and then drive back around the car. Yeah, right there. Yeah. We're finally back onto a road. Okay, I might end the video here. Might just leave it here.
Yeah.
As we walk back. Mike, if people want to follow more of your adventures, where should they go?
Mountain Mike's Adventures on Instagram. Mountain Mike's Adventures on YouTube, and I also dabble in a few tweets now and again, so Mountain Mike, check me out.
So they're going to say you dabble in the dark arts.
Well, you wouldn't technically be too wrong if on Twitter, hey.
Very tired and very bad at doing endings of videos. Oh, I'll summon some enthusiasm. Thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed this hike. If you enjoyed it, hit like, please subscribe, tell your friends. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye. Yeah, I'm doing some testing.
What question do you want to know? I know the answer.
He's back. It's Magic Mountain Mike. He runs, he jumps, he really likes to hike. We are in the Sperrins today, where Magic Mountain Mike here.
Start that again. For some reason I thought when you flipped the screen you'd stop recording.
What did you do?
I just stopped.
Stop what?
I just stopped moving.
Oh, you like froze totally.
Yeah, because you flipped the screen, so for some reason in my head I was like, oh.
Well, I guess I'm finishing this on my own.
Or what you could do is, you could have that in the background and let me hit the ground. You go for so I've actually come down and landed from beside you.
I'll walk along, and if you go back, stand on it, right? And at some point jump up and then kind of collapse.